Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Tom Keene with Paul Sweeney and Bloomberg's Lisa Mateo.
Let's start there. Yes, Novo Nordisk. Their shares have been down as much as 12% in Copenhagen. That's actually the lowest level since July of 2021. The reason why is because the pill version of its Ozempic, it didn't slow the progression of Alzheimer's disease in a pair of high-risk studies. Now, that is a big setback because it was kind of opening that door to a new use for the drug instead of just weight loss. They had been struggling after, they're losing that top spot to Eli Lilly in the obesity market. They couldn't acquire obesity startup Metsera away from Pfizer. Their value is more than half this year. They have investor concerns over its long-term competitiveness. So a lot riding against it. This did not help things. Because of the results from these studies, Novo is going to discontinue that planned one-year extension of the studies. So you had Eli Lilly. Their shares actually sank on this news too. But Biogen, which is developing different Alzheimer's drugs, their shares rose nearly 7%.
I mean, I remember you guys talking about the signs out on 3rd Avenue and Lexington Avenue at the advent of all this. Where are we into next year with everybody taking this stuff?
I don't know. I mean, I think when they have the oral thing, that's going to be big.
The pill, yes.
When the price comes down even more, that'll be big, I think. Okay. But I mean, I'm looking at Novo Nordisk. You weren't kidding, Lisa. This has got a $1.25 trillion valuation, but it's off by 50% this year. I mean, that's $1 trillion of shareholder value just lost this year.
Citigroup moments ago, literally as Lisa reports, Jeffrey Meacham over at Citigroup, Eli Lilly, a buy. Next, what do you have?
There you go. Joe Tsai's Alibaba. Okay. There's your boy. Their shares have been up more than 4% in Hong Kong. So the company said it's rebranded Qwen AI tool. Okay. That's what it's called. It hit 10 million downloads in the first week after it became available to the public. It is in the top 3 of Apple's App Store in China. It's basically looking to compete with OpenAI's ChatGPT. So what exactly is Qwen? Okay, so it has Alibaba's latest large language model capabilities, but is also set to incorporate agentic functions like e-commerce, the whole online shopping. The company said it's their most significant step yet in the consumer AI market. What will go into this? So they plan to integrate things like core lifestyle, productivity services like digital maps, food delivery, travel booking, office tools, e-commerce, education, health guidance. Yeah,
why not?
It's a big market, the agentic
14
space.
people doing food delivery? I don't get it.
They're all on the streets of 3rd Avenue here.
And they've all pulled back, Paul. I mean, there were some charts this weekend of the pullback.
Okay.
Of a lot of these tech stocks have taken some damage.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.